Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and to click the notification button for more updates. So guys, if malikhumbula kahle, yesterday I posted a video yokuthi ugogo Mawene's baby daddy has just passed away, and that was due to a car accident. So now guys, it has been said that uSiyabonga Zulu was the sister of the lady who just got Gogo Maweni arrested. So with all that, guys, you know what social media will be social media. A lot of people will be speculating what maybe Gogo Maweni has a hand in uSiyabonga's death. So with all that, guys, some people went on to saying this might have been Ugogo Maweni's doing, but others felt like, hi guys, let's just give Ugogo Maweni a break. She has been through a lot, and it doesn't mean Guti accident has to do anything no Gogo Maweni. This is just an accident that happened without her being involved. But anyway, guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And my deepest condolence to Siyabonga's family, and may his precious soul rest in peace. And please, guys, do not forget to subscribe, and please do not forget to comment and let me know what you have to say about this. Thank you.